upload my video and it's already like it's almost 5, it's 4:57. I'm gonna go down, drink some water, and after that I'm gonna take a nap because I started to feel like I'm getting fever again. But I will be going out to like exercise a little bit, and then after that I'll go to the event just to relax a little bit. Alright, I'm about to go out soon. It's already 6:20. Just watching some this today actually to claim the reward while I do some stuff, and also I have to upload my video, and I have to close down my laptop. I have to close down my laptop already after that. Yeah. Okay. So this thing is broken, but I'm selling my car, right? Selling my Proton Saga. What the heck? Okay. Can't really share too much. This Proton Saga right here is about to be sold. My dad is gonna help me to sell this car. So yeah. This is me driving my dad's car. It's jamming, bro. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's freaking jamming, bro. Yeah, so my car is getting sold because I'm about to buy a new car. But we'll see how it goes because the new car also actually is a Proton Saga also because it's like the freaking cheapest already. But it's a newer version of a Proton Saga, so I hope I can get a better deal. But yeah, we'll see how it goes, I guess. I'll just say it here right now in this documentation, I'll definitely miss my Proton Saga car because I've had that for a very long time. Even when I was like a kid, like 6-year-old or stuff like that, my dad already had this car for a very, very, very long time. And just sort of wanted to like give a memorial, you know. I honestly wanted to like have that car until the day I'm like 80, so that, you know, one day when I do become successful or fulfilled in my life or whatever, I still have that car, you know, as a memory, because this car was the one that kept me like started in my career as a software engineer, you know, AI, machine learning, blockchain. You know, I go to all these events, all the developer relation stuff, you know, as well as the external relations stuff, all the sponsors that I've gotten, like all of that, and all the competition I go to, all of that wouldn't have been accomplished if I didn't have that car, bruh. So it's honestly pretty insane. That car helped me so much, and now I'm selling it away. God damn it, bruh. But I mean, it's my documentation anyways, so I'm just letting this know lah. I'll forever cherish that car, even though I'm selling it to somebody else already. But yeah, still jamming like crazy, so nothing I can do about it except for yapping.
my service function to invoke the bedrock models. This foundational models invoke the model and invoke model in response to it's a very region-specific thing. Even similar, right? Still talking about toy box full of blocks, games, etc. See for each of your hops in your distributed systems. And these LM systems are going to be distributed in nature because not everyone is building or hosting the session October. I'm doing nothing. I'll just go down and take coffee. I don't want to play with any policies, any rules, and bucket policy, nothing. For this demo, I'm just creating one bucket. Okay. A simple bucket.
Tadi kena makan. Nah, kalau balik kita orang lalu kelang lampu nanti drop kan kat Kuchai ke mana MRT Kuchai kelang lampu pun jangan lama kau nak suruh aku makan ni kau boleh silakan.
Oh ya. Bagus. Don't everywhere. Sheesh. Bro, freaking Proton Saga dog shit.
At least can open aircon.
Oh shit lah. Dia punya orang ghosted my ass, bro.
That's why.
Bro.
Last time here lah, but accident one.
Oh yeah, I remember. There's so many rainbow.
No, kat Bali dah habis. Aish. Who's a stupid resident here make their custom bumper?
Bro.
Think you can solve the high speed car. If they want to speed, they speed lah.
Yeah, here got a lot of bumper. I have to be very careful. Brake. Then
This one also tak ada, tak colour pun. Hey. Tinggi je lah.
tak colour. What the fuck?
Ah, it's supposed to colour. If
Correct.
bumper ke kena colour lah. Ini tajam.
Yeah, here got. Oh, here got.
Uish.
At the end also got. Then you turn left. Oh.
That one.
Alright, that'll be about it for today. I already brought my mom up. Where's my bag? Oh, it's right here, I think. Alright. Well, I just got back home. And yeah, that'll be about it for today. Peace.